Hi guys, this is me Kian and I'm back with another Scratch project video. Let's start. Open your Scratch app. This might take a few seconds. Now, we are going to make a project as we did in the last and second last video. Let's make a project. First, let's take reference from the tutorials. Tutorials is not working. Let's just do it by our own. Let's create a game. A game in which a cat will chase a mouse. Add this sprite and delete this sprite. Add a mouse sprite. We will make a backdrop by our own. Choose the paint. Now, so guys, we have created a box. Now we will choose this one. We are making the backdrop to be a curvature. So now we will make a copy of that. But we can't. We will make a rectangle and inside we will put various more rectangles. One here, and even one here. So now guys, this is our backdrop. Let's color in it. We have to do it again. Make a rectangle inside. Enlarge the size. Now, make even smaller rectangles inside. One here, one here, and one here. we will decrease the size of the cat to 50 and the mouse, it too should be sized 50. So now they can fit in every crevice and corner. The cat will follow the mouse. We are filling the color. Let's not make this orange. Let's make it yellow. Otherwise, the cat will not be visible. And make the out of frame gray. Perfect. Now let's animate them. The cat should be placed over here. And the mouse should be placed over here. Now let's animate them. Take this block, then take the forever block. We will make the cat follow the mouse pointer and the mouse will follow the mouse pointer. Let's try it. It is going too fast. Let's change this to 1. And now guys, let's try it. This has made it too slow. Let's do it to 5. Now activate it. Too fast again. Now we should change it to 3 so it might move medium speed. Wow, it can hide. Now let's do this same to the cat. But first, let's make the mouse say, "You'll never catch me, cat." Never catch me cat. Now attach it. Try it. So now let's animate the cat. First, let's animate the cat to say, "We'll see about that." And now we will do the same coding as the mouse. Let's see which coding we did. Forever block, move 3 steps and point towards mouse pointer. Forever block. Move 3 steps. Point towards mouse pointer. No. Yes, we will take this block, but go to the sensing. We have to make it to point towards mouse. It's okay, we can do this. Now let's try it. But first we have to add a wait 2 seconds block. Activate it and see. The cat is catching the mouse, but it is not doing anything. Let's animate something for that. We will make it stop. We will put this block. Now it has all ended. So now we will play it again and see. Change the direction to 90. And the mouse too should be changed to be 90. Now guys, we will check if the mouse or the cat has another costume. Go back. Now choose paint. Delete this costume. Take the Cat 2 costume. But now make it all turn to grey. Delete this costume. Do it again. It is perfect. We have to do it again. Make it all turn to grey. Or you can choose any color you want. I am choosing the grey color. You can even choose red or any other bright color. It's perfectly done. But now I will change the fill to red. Oh no! We don't have to delete. We thought we had to delete, but no, we can change it right away. It's perfect, guys. Now let's go to the code tab again. And now keep this block over here. But first we have to put this block over here. Now plate. We have to do the mouse too as the same. So guys, this was a project animated. Stay tuned. Bye guys. This is me, Kian. I am signing out.